Hi friends, Andrea here with a new video for HipKit Club. Today is Product Focus Wednesday and I'm going to be working on a layout using the July HipKits. So different products from these kits. I'm using the Puffy stickers, the big ones. I'm using some of the pattern papers, the mixed media clear stickers, and in the end, I decided I also wanted the chipboard frames, the hexagon ones, to be part of this layout. So I'm starting by fussy cutting some of these leaves from one of the pattern papers. And at this point, I wasn't exactly sure what to do. I knew I wanted to include the map. This is from our latest hike to El Dorado Canyon State Park. And the original idea was to create a pocket to just keep the map there. And then I decided I wanted to fussy cut it and just use it as part of my background. So I have these two strips of pattern paper that I'm going to include, and at this point I'm not adhering anything. I'm just testing where my pictures are gonna go. I'm using 3 photos from my daughter and my husband, and just deciding what I'm going to do with the clear mixed media stickers. That one is gonna go on the right side, and then all of my photos are gonna go relatively in the middle of the page, which is the left side of this background, this map. And then on the right side, that's where we're gonna put one of the clusters with the hexagon stickers. But at this point, as I said, that was a last moment decision. Right now, I am also using these cardstock stickers, these butterflies ones, and since I want to use it as a die cut, I put it on top of just a piece of paper and I fussy cut it, and now I can move it around, I can play with the wings, and that's exactly what I did. I didn't want these butterflies to be just flat on the page. Now the placement is definitely gonna change, but at this point I decided it was time to start gluing and putting things where they belong. As we said, on top and bottom, we have that. I'm adding some machine stitching details to make sure the pattern paper won't go anywhere. Then some double-sided tape on the map. Getting rid of the excess. And I know I don't need all of this. The whole sticker part of it was gonna be covered, so I decided to save them and just cut them in half. And I love that these stickers match all of the colors that I have on the top of the page as well as the bottom. Adding some adhesive foam to this title. I'm gonna use 2 of them. Well, it will end up being 3, but as of now you see only 2 of them. We'll have our photos right there. I also added adhesive foam squares to the photos to get some dimension. This pattern paper is from the packaging, from one of the, I believe, the travel die cuts, I think. And I decided that's what I wanted to use to add my journaling. Okay, butterfly is gonna end up going on the right side. And now the leaves, I'm just gonna play with them around and place them around the 3 photos. Okay, and I decided that I was happy with it, but there was still something missing. And that's when I brought my hexagon border stickers, which I think are the best thing. Definitely one of my favorite products from the July kits. I did use the circle ones, but I have not yet used the hexagon. So I placed that on the right side and decided that I was gonna also add some on the left side. I had a lot of white space on the page, and at this point these days I really have nothing against white space, but the page was not balanced. So at least by adding this, we did not have that problem anymore, and now I was happy. Now off camera, I will end up adding a couple more details on that left side cluster. I will fussy cut one more butterfly, and I'll add one more Puffy sticker. And you'll see that on the photos and the final flip through video. Okay. Last detail, I am just adding my journaling, and that is it for now. Okay, you can see now the couple details that I added, one more Puffy sticker and the butterfly, and all of the details on the right side. Well, this is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to stop by the blog and the Facebook group for more inspiration from the rest of the team. Also, do not forget to grab your August hip kits. They are absolutely beautiful and packed with the most beautiful products from all different brands, beautiful projects all put together, along with some Hip Kit Club exclusives as well. This was Andrea for Hip Kit Club, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.